Take quarter kilo chicken and add salt to it. Okay, mix it very well and add a little of vinegar, say around 3 tablespoons. Okay, this is a synthetic vinegar that I've used. Then take a bunch of coriander. If the garlic pods are big, then take 8. Clove, pepper, cinnamon, and green chilies. Add all these to the mixer. Okay, and yes, a little of jeera. Add all of this to the mixer, add little water and grind it. Once your paste is ready, okay, add it to the marinated chicken and marinate it for at least half an hour. Let it mix very well. You could either put turmeric in this mixture or later. I've taken a one fat onion and I've just sliced it. Okay, the onion, the more you put, the taste gets better, but do not put too much also. So here one fat onion is good enough for a quarter kilo chicken, and the chicken that I used is boneless. It's only chicken breast. You could also cut very fine, like chop it fine into small cubes. I prefer this way, so I have cut it this way. And this is my own style of cooking. It's a Goan recipe, but I make it my way. You can take a small ripe tomato and cut it into cubes. Now this is how much the quantity is. Take your cooking vessel, okay, let the water dry off. Once the water dries off completely, you can then put your cooking oil. Now the cooking oil purely depends on how much you want. The onion will obviously, soak up a little oil, so I've added a little extra later. And you fry these onions till they turn golden brown. Right now here the slices are not separated, so I will, mash them up a bit so that they all separate and they look nice. You can cook all this on a medium flame. Add a little more oil now because the oil had dried. It's golden brown almost, so it's time to put the tomatoes. You can add the tomatoes now over here. Fry the tomatoes for a bit, till the juice comes out of it. It doesn't have to be completely flattened. Just cook it for a few minutes. 5 minutes will do. If your flame is on slow flame. If it's on medium flame, I think 3 minutes will be enough. Take the marinated chicken and add it to the onion tomato mix and mix it very well. Let it cook for 1-2 minutes. And in the meanwhile, add add water in the mixie and the container in which you had marinated the chicken, and mix it well and add the water in the cooking vessel. Add a little more water because you would want the chicken to be nicely immersed and cooked in it. So add a little more water to it. We add a little turmeric so that it turns a little more green, okay? And turmeric is anyways very good. So we added, you could say, a teaspoon of turmeric. I'll add a little more salt because I've added water, so you need a little salt here. I'll cover it for a little while and I will cook it, okay, so that the aroma just doesn't leave, it remains intact. Now this is after a few minutes of cooking. You'll see that the gravy is still thin, so I'll add a little dry coriander powder to thicken the gravy. You can keep on checking as to how thick you want it. Mix it very well and let it cook for a little while. As goans, we add a little sugar, when the dish is almost cooked. It gives a nice taste to it. It's a little sweet taste. It doesn't get too sweet, but the aroma and the taste is very good. This is how the dish would look finally. You could have it with rice, you could have it with bread, with pav, or with chapati, whatever you prefer. This is our goan